Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 2 of exercise 12.2. Now in question number 2, these are all the standard scientific form is given and you have to convert it into the usual form. Fine. What we did in question number 1, the usual form was given and we converted into the scientific notation. Now the scientific notation is given, you have to convert it into usual form. Very easy. That is 3.02 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, now if you find that the question is already in the decimal form, then you will convert the decimal into the fractional form. To do that, we'll, after decimal, how many digits are there? 2, so we'll divide it by 100. Now it is in the base 10 is carrying negative power, isn't it? So to make it a positive power, what we'll do? We'll have to do the reciprocal. This, isn't it? Now it is in positive notation. Now we'll expand this. 10 zeros. And there, here is already 2 zeros are there. So 302 into 1 is what? 302 only. Okay. Now 2 zeros is already here and more 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it? Now, how many altogether zeros would be there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't it? Now, 8 zeros are there. Now, we have to convert this into the usual form. Now, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how to convert this into the decimal form then? 1, 2, 3. After 8 digit, I have to put decimal, isn't it? This was a rule of decimal. So, after 8 digits, but only 3 digit is already present in the numerator. So, more 5, we have to make it up by 0. That is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here we will put the point. So this is a solution of sum number 1. Okay, so we are just converting the decimal form into the fractional form, and once we are done the total conversions, then finally we are converting the form into the decimal form. So this is the usual form of this scientific notation. Okay, now let's move on to sum number 2. Now, sum number 2, we have again decimal form, so convert this into the fractional form. Now we did this. Now this 10 is now carrying positive, so we'll not do the reciprocal. So 10 to the power 4 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? Now we'll reduce 1 0 like this. So now into multiply it. So 45. And how many zeros would be there? 1, 2, 3. So this is your answer. Okay. So this is the usual form of this scientific notation. Now let's move on to sum number 3. Now this is sum number 3. So it is only 3 is given. So leave it as intact. But now again 10. Again this 10 is again carrying what? Negative power. So to make it a positive power, we have to do the reciprocal. That is 10 to the power 8, like this. Okay, now how many zeros would be there? 8 zeros. So we'll write 3 upon 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now this is a fractional form. Now we have to convert this fractional form into the decimal form. For that, we have to put decimal after how many digits? That is 8, but only 1 is present out here. So 1 and 7, more 7 digits need to be made up by 0 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we'll put 0. Okay, that is altogether 8 digits should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, because 8 zeros are there in the numerator, denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is a required answer. I hope everyone is getting this easy. Now let's move on to sum number 4. Now this is sum number 4. It is again given in the decimal form. So let's convert it into the fractional form. 1, 2, So after decimal, how many digits are there? 4. So we'll put 4 zeros like this. And this 10 is carrying positive 9. So we do not need to convert into the reciprocal form. So we'll write 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So reduce 4 zeros. These 4 zeros and these 4 zeros will be reduced. Okay. Now write it down. Just multiply it and give your answer. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And how many zeros are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your required answer. As simple as this. Okay. Now there are two more sums. I believe there are two more sums are there, 5 and 6 of question number 2. And I believe that those two sums you all can do it on yourself. Okay. So that's it for today. Question number 2 of exercise 12.2. Okay. From Monday onwards, okay, we'll start a revision of another chapter. Okay. Thank you so much, students. God bless you all.